welcome to the night show for today. We'll be the 17th of August 2015. My name is Nedu _ me and Easy Bitch does it for inside chair today. And the owner of Monday, she goes soon waka enter for inside studio. The owner of Monday, Bumi Oni, the HR expert, she goes soon join us enter. But today for inside night show, Katim not there. Those of you go begin start now. Ask we. Okay, Katim day, she they come. I think say she not there. I think say she don't waiting for me her Easy Bit for his her eye today. She would have seen when. Yeah, I did the child with ya. It is where we dress, me and Easy Bit dress like this. Now normal dressing. Today na Monday. But I look like a ragamuffin. Don't try me. Don't try me. Don't try me. I know why we Easy Bit, come on, I made it see. See Easy Bit. Put rubber glass. Not saying I'm rubber. See me now. Don't. This is a Kanye West move. Holla. She. Anyway, we are Katim and Easy Bit. Now before Katim, hurry up and come before I change my mind. Easy Bit they play before Katim comes. She needs punishment. Explain to this court, this honorable court, why you came late to work. Explain. Explain. He said again. He said her tooth. Her tooth. Explain now.
Tooth. I go Wambe for the weekend, so I don't know what they give me to chop. Then I can't go house. I sleep with two of my tooth.
The two of your tooth. Can't they disturb you? The two of the tooth.
At once.
Anyway,
I don't understand this kind. Today on Monday. Why you dress like this? Bumi don't see you.
Then go and they go bring water for you. Bumi don't see you. You don't know the topic of the treat today. Now dress.
Place of work.
Place of work dressing. So I want to explain to them. Say now radio and TV entertainment company. Now with the work. Now make me dress like this. Is how we dress. Holla. She.
So the one where Easy Bit wear now.
No, Easy Bit now. Easy Bit this couple. Easy Bit they don't know where they work. This couple they don't know. They are confused. You know. Say you go there. You not go know whether na corporate I be na casual.
Me I be nurse.
The
Na nurse I be.
No, you na nurse.
Holy nurse.
Easy Bit own na bakery.
No, Easy Bit no.
See na so conductors.
Easy Bit own na he did to body hawking.
No, now they tell you na conduct and I see people they dress like this. Bricklayers, you know be bricklayers. Other people they go work for site.
Wait, okay, when they wear uniform. Then in the evening they go on.
The hair they go on show.
You don't know them again.
You don't know them again. They come wear tight. See the cloth. They come wear tight cloth. Come wear. I come outside. Easy Bit. Come outside now. See tight. See you come wear rubber glass. Then for sure say then get swatcher. Come on, go and sit down there.
So from side they go down.
They go. Now this
go deceive other people.
Then this kind they go Sanusi far from when work don't close. Now don't come go Sanusi far from go they run show.
Anyway, all those people say they do better work.
Meanwhile, we know what they do.
Exactly.
As before we start show today, our usual. Hey, you remember? Now remember that gist of that election of those where they sell their body for money. I know we call their name when I know them. Okay, prostitutes. Where they say they want to do election. When me and Katim campaign.
Yes.
Now for that election, somebody win. Now as her name na Peacemaker. Now she call her name Peacemaker. Now
now that Peacemaker can't win.
Now she win. So as she win for the election, she said she done the try where for the work where she they do. Say for now 2 people she need to sleep with before she retire.
Number 1
and Whiskey.
So wait first. So
now her target be that.
So we not fit arrange them.
No, you know to happen. I beg if you know Peacemaker, I beg send the number to us or send us for tweet messages for Twitter. Make we fit talk to Peacemaker. See her. No they her back 9 days show, but she go fit show us her face.
But she be color TV and she can't find her.
No, she be like she always wear bleach. She be like this way bleach. And she get fine hair, she dey pack her hair.
We suppose invite am come show. Make she tell us her aim and objectives of the new.
She said she get good thing for the club. K-Mos go their meeting. Okay. K-Mos come they give me the gist. Oh. You know say K-Mos na auxiliary member.
K-Mos no go with K-Solo that time.
No, K-Solo na their member already. Oh. K-Solo not the talking. K-Solo na their member. But K-Mos because in a journalist, they go cover their events. So now K-Mos now come drag her go corner. Come they ask her say, babe, how far? Now she come they say okay. But K-Mos come ask her say, what you know say person where they work, they say in the next 5 years, what are your goals and where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Now she come to us say in the next 5 years she want retire. But now when she don't enter her side, waka apart from the president, she go try make sure say she wipe
Ronaldo and Whiskey. And the one can see the fascination with Whiskey.
No, Whiskey don't if he walk. Ronaldo.
There can be a proposition.
Make we not talk.
Nedu, you want to underestimate? You know, say if we take telephone now, say,
okay,
we dey call Ronaldo.
Okay, no.
Maybe we will convince him.
Nothing happen after show. We call Ronaldo. We'll discuss with him. We'll know whether he go fit or not.
That is it now.
We don't want to waste too much time today. Second story day. We'll take that second story.
No, now. Now they do daycare center.
You know, say
for children and for girls and for women and for men. Nowadays, there's a new development to this kind of, something. My brother, feel free.
Now,
come on the story.
They say, say if women they go work, they go drop their pikin for daycare, make them take care of them. Now, new one don't come outside. Madam, if you are going to work, you dey wonder what your guy they do for area. Don't worry no more. You has a place now where you go register your husband daycare. Go see him, husband daycare. Need time to relax. You need time to yourself. You want to go shopping. Leave your husband with us. We will look after him for you. You only pay for his drinks. That is all.
Daddy, what the one they do for this?
No, they go drink. Girls.
Woman no go to this daycare center.
So if your husband they do wah, can I go this daycare? We go call us, we'll give you the address where your husband go for the daycare. But we go buy some chicken in the for you. When we come back now. But me only the owner of Monday, HR expert. She dressed black today. Only God know where she and Albert to go last week. We don't know.
No, say maybe now as corporate Monday, maybe she just wear that black like
black. She didn't want something.
Not trousers or
she didn't want something. She don't.
I don't know.
Man, not talk. Will they come back?
If you don't just enjoy the video, they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.